Where to network? Birds of a feather flock together. Birds of a feather flock together. People tend to associate with others that share similar interests. To optimize your networking effectiveness, you must do one thing well. Go where your clients and prospects are likely to be. For ideas on where to go, ask your clients where they go and ask them if you can go there with them. Once you identify those places where your clients and prospects go, attend consistently to generate contacts, build relationships, and set meetings. Here's what's worked for me. I have had success at industry associations. We sponsor events and I can see who's coming to the event, target who I want to meet, and see what's going on in the industry. Most importantly, I get face time with people who are in my target market that fit my ideal client profile. A side benefit is that I'm able to see what my competitors are doing, and it helps me know how to differentiate myself from them. Trade shows are another opportunity where we have had success. Because we have a booth, we are able to source the list of attendees in advance. We can send an email to the prospects that fit who we want to meet and invite them to our booth and give them a free book. A few other benefits of trade shows are that you can network, attend breakouts that you are interested in, and you can be a presenter. There are a countless number of places to go to network. A few best practices are to go consistently, build relationships, get into a leadership role, and be a presenter. What to do? A good place to start is to ask your 10 best clients where they go and see if you can go there with them. Remember, birds of a feather flock together. The time is now.